Now let's talk about serving and calories. I had more than a pound of ground beef and ended up with 11 patties, 10 at 2 ounces each and 1 at 1 ounce. And each one, 2 ounce, comes to about 160 calories. That means a serving of 2 to 3 patties is still under 500 calories, even without any grains. If you use half lamb and half beef, the calorie count will be slightly higher, around 170 calories per patty. You can absolutely bake these in the oven if you prefer, but keep in mind that it might take longer depending on the temperature and your oven. I personally love cooking them in the skillet. It keeps them juicy and prevents them from drying out. As you just saw, this delicious Middle Eastern dish is easy to make, super satisfying, and budget friendly. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it in so many ways. For a lighter option, pair it with sauteed veggies, a fresh tabbouleh, or a simple version of fattoush salad. However you serve it, it's guaranteed to hit the spot. If you enjoyed this video making the most delicious kofta, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy and healthy recipes. Be sure to check out my other videos and the description below for a quick recipe summary and links to some of the healthy food products that I use on a daily basis. I've got another fantastic recipe coming up next, so stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.